Children, I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your holidays. This is your first computer class for grade 4. The first lesson is internet. When I use the word internet, it is a frequently used and well versed word amongst us. Internet has got many features and it helps us to exchange and share information with a large number of people. The communication process has become very easier and faster with the help of the computer network. When I use the word computer network, it is nothing but 2 or 3 computers are connected together with a special cable is called computer network. Now I come to a point, the internet. Internet is nothing but millions of computers around the world are connected with each other to share the information on the internet is called internet. The internet stands for International Network. It has got so many features, but generally it is used as mean to communicate and search the endless amount of information from the unlimited number of sources. Some of the uses of internet are here. It provides information and news on any topic. Whatever we search for, the information is available on the internet. It allows us to send and receive the messages. The messages can be a text message, audio message, video message, or the graphics. And we can buy and sell new and old goods. We can perform banking operations. We can check the exam results. Even now in this pandemic situation also, though we are not able to attend the classes, but still we are connected with each other with the help of the internet. Now let us see some of the here. The positive use of the internet makes our lives easy and simple. Internet has got its own advantages as well as the disadvantages. When it is used in a proper manner, internet is useful to us. The next point is some of the basic requirements of an internet. These are the things we require to access the internet. First one is a modem, an internet connection, telephone line, and a web browser. Here now we are going to study about some of the internet terms. We all are using the internet, but without even knowing some of the internet terms. So these are the website. When I say the website, the information available on the internet is in the form of website and web pages. So website, it is a collection of related web pages. You can say that, you can have an example that a book contains many pages. So the book is referred to as a website and the pages in it is called as web pages. Once again I repeat, website is a collection of related web pages. Web page is a information put on the internet in the form of digital pages is called web pages. These web pages are like the information in the web pages. It can be a text message, audio or a video or a graphic message. It can be anything. Sometimes these web pages will have link with the another web pages also. World Wide Web. The 3 W's are called World Wide Web. It is a network of websites on the internet which contains the information in the form of text, pictures, animation and videos. Next is a home page. The very first page on any website is called home page, which contains links to the other pages are called home page. Whenever you type a URL, the first page which appears on the desktop is called as home page. Web browser. You need a web browser to search for any information. So web browser is nothing but it is a software application, or you can call it as a software program that allows you to access information available on the web. So some of the famous web browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer and Opera. Then next we go to, this is a modem, the picture of a modem. I think the basic requirement of the internet I told you in the beginning itself. So we need a modem. This is a modem. Modem is a device that connects your computer with the telephone line. Now next we have Uniform Resource Locator. To visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is identified by its unique address is called URL. For example, here I have written www.cartoonnetwork.com, www.discoverychannel.com. When you type this in the address bar, you will go to the Cartoon Network. Then when you type the Discovery, then again it will take you to the Discovery Channel. The information can be accessed by all the people all over the world. The next, here we have ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. So this is a company. ISP is a company which offers you the usage of the internet by paying a monthly fee. In India, we have an Airtel and the Reliance Communications. These two companies, they offer us the usage of internet with a nominal fee. That is called ISP. The next will come to here. Just have a look at the screen, children. This is the home page of the website. Here Wikipedia is a website, and HTTP is called a Uniform Resource Locator. This is a new tab, and here we have an address bar. This here in the address bar, you can search any website, whatever you want to search for. You can type here in the address bar, and this is a web page. Here they have typed www.wikipedia.org. So when you type the www.wikipedia.org in the address bar, you will get this screen, and this is called as a web page. When you press this symbol, that is a backward, it will take you to the previous page. So just have a look of this. Okay children, till now we have understood what is an internet, what are the main features of internet, and some of the basic requirement for the internet, and also some of the internet terms like website, web page, URL, www, and web browser. Please practice all these things. Refer your textbooks. Let us meet in the next topic in next session. Thank you very much children. Have a good day to you all.